Well, we are back, and with just a week left to shop, it's time to check that list, and everybody off of your list. The gift of beauty can be a fun way to surprise the people you love. Joining us is beauty expert, that is Grace Gold, with her top picks to spread cheer and glamour this holiday season. So welcome back.
Hello, thank you.
The one and only Grace Gold, all the way here from New York, from Good Morning America, to come sit with us today.
Yes, my favorite station.
Thank
Don't
you.
tell anybody else.
I will not. But, we are down to the crunch the last couple of days to get things for, our loved ones for the holidays. What do you suggest?
Yeah, so fragrance is super popular this time of year, but if you want to get something that not everybody's wearing, Parfum de Marly is a great brand to look at, and they actually are at Nordstrom, so you can go sniff them at Nordstrom.
Wow.
And they are very niche, luxury, and inspired by King Louis XV. Versailles, the perfumed court, 18th century splendor. I'm going to start with Delina in the pink.
Okay.
I'm actually going to give you this candle to smell. She's the queen of the line, the most popular. Isn't that beautiful? It's very feminine, pink and pretty. Turkish rose, lily of the valley, highest quality vanilla from Madagascar. And they have beautiful accents. There's Swarovski crystals in the cap.
Wow.
They make that candle, the fragrance, and a hair fragrance, Julie, which is really cool.
That is nice. And you smell like royalty.
Yes, you do.
It does.
And then in the red, if you want something more masculine, that's Kalan. And isn't that wonderful? It's their newest release. Blood orange, black pepper, spices as well, dried down of oak moss and sandalwood. Very short, striking, and direct, right? I think it's actually very, very sensual.
I like this. Our director Glenn would like this.
I was thinking of Glenn. Glenn and his wife are very fancy. They know these kind of fragrances.
Yes.
And what's great is when you go shopping there, the packaging is exquisite. It's really an indulgence. MarleyBoutiqueUSA.com and Nordstrom.
Perfect. Okay. So what else do you have here?
Okay, so for the woman who loves lashes, especially women who are doing the lash extensions, spending all that time, all that money, Julie, you can do it at home now. And this is Lashify. So it's a DIY lash extension kit. I've actually got a video to show you how it works. It comes with 2 sets of gossamers, which is what they call lashes. These actually go underneath your lashes, Julie. So that looks more seamless because you're not seeing the lash band.
Right.
It fits any eye shape. They give you light bonding tools that come in the kit. It secures them up to 7 days.
Wow.
Natural looks, glam looks. I've got colored lashes if you're really fun and playful with your makeup.
Right.
And then once you gift this, you can continue with membership. Starts at like $40. You get lashes delivered every month, so you always have them. And you can literally do lash extensions at home in minutes now.
I love this. Okay, this is perfect.
Lashify.com is where you're going to get that.
I know a couple of people who would love this. Okay, you also have some other goodies down here.
Yes, so you want to get something, let's say, at the store. Very affordable. A great option is Olay Daily Facials Daily Hydrating Clean. So, we get cold and sensitive this time of year, our skin. So this is water-activated dry cleansing cloths. It removes the residue without irritating or inflaming your skin, and it's got 5-in-1 benefits. So it's going to cleanse, exfoliate, tone, soften, and hydrate as well.
Oh, perfect.
Ultra soothing ingredients. They've got grapeseed extract in there, glycerin, perfect for this time of year. That's going to nourish and replenish skin, and it leaves your skin noticeably smoother within a week, which I love as well. So great for travel. I love to put this as a stocking stuffer. Mom, my sister really love this. Under $10, local retailers.
Perfect. And especially traveling this time of year, I'm sure that the skin gets dry. This is the perfect thing. Soak up those nutrients.
Right, yes.
All right, and then?
And then finally, this is super fun for the woman who loves doing her manicures, okay? Olive and June Treat Yourself box. This is a celebrity favorite nail salon in LA. They launched a new long-lasting polish line and tools for a salon quality manicure at home. This is the limited edition box. It's the ultimate self-care gift. So 9 new polish colors. This is holiday and winter. You can see those are the colors that are in style now. All the tools you need, including their award-winning cuticle serum. Now, a few cool things, Julie. The polish has the base built in, so you're just going to use the polish and then use the top coat. This guy over here is called the Poppy. It goes on top of any nail polish, including your own brands. That helps you do your own nails, like even your non-dominant hand. It's really designed so that you can get that polish perfect.
Oh, nice.
And built-in cell phone shelf. Look at this. So like you can watch nail tutorials, you can take your own little social content there.
You
can FaceTime while you're doing your nails. oliveandjune.com.
That is perfect because there's nothing worse than getting the other hand. For me, it would be the left one, and you cannot get it smooth or it gets chunky or clumpy.
Exactly. And I love how everything fits in this box.
Yes.
So no waste at all. It's really nice and simple.
Yep. I love that. All right, Grace, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All kinds of good stuff here. And where do we find you this holiday season? Because I know you're busy, but where do we find you and follow you?
If you missed anything, don't worry. Come find me, gracegold.com.
All right. Can't wait to see what she has for New Year's. Thank you. Stay with us. More of Let's Talk Live coming up right after the break.